Hi, today we are assembling this piece for an 05, the light right here, and part number is it's a lamp 37M. It was a little hard to find, but that thing didn't work. So anyway, and yes, you can have this thing running and whatnot, not the end of the world. Jackson, please hold on, okay? So first off, we're going to, this is going to be in reverse order. So this is going to be installed that way. Like that. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this is like that. These are clips in here that have to be right here. You just have to push down on. They pop free. It's really nice. Hey, you two. Okay. It's in park, so you want this thing in neutral or out of park, I believe. Let's do neutral, and then it just clips on like that. Put a neutral to put this fancy dancy cover back on, which you plug in right like so. Then like that. Ta-da! And then you want this piece that just pops up. You just push those in. Then you'll be cool enough to put this piece back on. And it's a lot of spinning. Then put this guy back in the cup holder, and presto, you are in business. So, like always, it was a lot of fun overall, pretty easy to do. I would say a novice could do that. The one thing I do want to stress out is once you pop this guy out, there's little tabs I think you can get to. You might not have to pull this whole piece off, but that's how I did it. So yeah, fun like always. Chaos, panic, and disorder. I think I got this in the wrong way. Nope, like that. Okay, like I said, or didn't say, jack of all trades, master of none.